What's going on, you guys? Tristan Onsas Busboy here. And I got the iPod Touch 32 gigabyte. Let's unbox it. So you have to take the plastic off. Take that. Oh my god. And it is space gray. The iPod, let's put it aside. Designed by Apple in California. You got your ear pods, not include the microphone. And you got the charger for it, which does not come with one of the things that you plug in the wall, so you will have to buy one. Okay, let's get to this. Let's get to this, baby. Okay. One second, YouTube. I just need to get this back. Oh, yes, now. Let's go. Oh my god, holy what is already set up? That's a mystery, YouTube. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Leave a thumbs up, not a thumbs down. And make sure to subscribe. Thanks. Make sure you keep on watching YouTube. Bye.